Okay, so data is provided. Okay, so from May 96 to November 96, data is provided, but the load for May 96 is not provided, and we have to find out the fifth moving average. And next, in the second question, we have to find out the weighted moving average for the last 3 months. Okay, so in that case, the solution we have seen that we have to consider the latest 5 month. Okay, in case of a 5 month moving average, we have to consider the latest 5 month data. So we have considered the demand for November, demand for October, demand for September, demand for August, plus demand for July divided by 5. So it is simple moving average. So 1/5 weightage is provided to uh, each month data or each month demand. Okay, so in case of a simple moving average, we have seen that the weightage is same or constant throughout the data. Okay, so for that purpose, we have divided by 5 throughout the data. Okay, so that is nothing but 1/5 for the November, 1/5 for the December, 1/5 for the September, 1/5 for August, and 1/5 for July demand. Okay, so we'll get the answer 773 hours. Then in the B part, we have to find out the weighted moving average. In B case, we have to find out the weighted moving average. So in that case, the weights are provided for the latest month. Weight is provided at 0.5. Then the second month weight is provided 0.3, and the first year weight is provided 0.2. Just in that case, we have to multiply with the weight of that particular month to the demand of that particular month, and we have to add up such a multiplications. Okay, for the particular months. Okay, so 0.5 multiplied by 970 plus 0.3 multiplied by 860 plus 0.2 multiplied by 750. So there is a mismatch between your answer and my answer. So your answer was correct related to this particular methodology or this particular question. My answer was 947.8, but that was wrong. Your answer, miss, you have calculated 893 hours. That answer was correct. Okay. So uh, the next problem uh, on this particular methodology is just note down the problem. The data given below represents the data given below represents sales figures sales figures of ABC company company for the 12 months of the year 2019 compute 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 3 month moving average 3 month moving average in bracket whether screen is visible. No.
No, sir.
Electricity gone actually. So I was my presentation on computer, and I'm giving voice through mobile. So write down once again. I will repeat the question. Presentation not in mobile. The data given below represent sales figures, sales figures, sales figures, sales figures of ABC company for for the 12 months for the 12 months of the year of the year of the year 1996 of the year 2019 of the year 2019 in the next question, first point or first question is compute 3 month compute 3 months moving average moving average. Yes, Nishkal, screen is not visible. Actually, I'm representing over the computer, and electricity electricity problem is there. So because of that, screen is not visible. Compute 3 months moving average in bracket ignoring decimal values. In bracket ignoring decimal values. Second question, forecast the demand forecast the demand forecast the demand for the month for the month for the month of January 2020. Forecast the demand for the month of January 2020. Forecast the demand for the month of January 2020. If the actual demand for the month of third question, okay, third question, if the actual demand for the month of January 2020, January 2020 is 905 units, 905 units. What should be the forecast? What should be the forecast for the month of February February 2020, for the month of February 2020. Okay, and data is provided as make two column, one for month and second for sales. Okay, make two columns such as one column for month and second column for sales. Okay, then in month column, January, sales for January is 400. Sales for January is 400. Then second call in month column, second number, February. Sales for February is 490, 490. Then third month, March. Sales for March is 570. Sale for March is 570. Then April. Sale for April 500. Then month May. Sale for May is 640. then June, then June. Sell for June is 680. Then July. Sell for July is 710. Then August. Sell for August is 800. Then September. Sell for September is 820. Then October. Sell for October is 910. Then November. Sell for November is 860. And then December. Sell for December is 950. Okay. So everybody written this problem. Okay. So the first question is compute 3-month moving average. Okay. Ignoring decimal values. In that case, we have to find out for each month. For each month, we have to find out simple moving average. Okay. We have to find out the simple moving average for each month. So for the first question, that is the 3-month moving average, we have to draw one column, one table. Okay, we have to draw one table. So the columns of that particular tables should be month, sales, moving total, and moving average. Okay, once again I will repeat. The columns of the table are month, sales, moving total, moving average. Okay, months, sales, moving total, moving average. These are the columns for the table. Okay. So I will give brief description related to the table. Okay. In month table, you have to write down all the months. Then in sales table, you have to write down the all the sales value for the respective months. Okay. Then moving total. Now here we have already seen the centering of the moving average. Okay, centering of the moving average. So a period, or we can say that for the 5-month moving average. Okay, so the moving total and moving average should be located in front of a second month in case of a 5-month moving average, or uh, we can say that the MA. Okay, we have to locate this whatever the moving total and moving average. We have to locate that particular moving total and moving average in front of the second. In case of a 5-month moving average, we have to locate that value in front of a third month. And in case of a 3-month moving average, we have to locate whatever that value in front of a second month, in front of a second month. So just calculate uh, the moving total and moving average. Okay, for the January month. Okay, and just add up the sales values of January, February, and March, and whatever the addition. Okay, that will be moving total. So that addition you have to put up in front of a February month in moving total column. Okay, in moving total column, we have to put up that particular addition for the 3 month of January, February, and March. Okay, So what will be the addition for January, February, and March? Sales sales demand addition. So for the month January, the sales demand is 400. For the month February, sales demand is 490. And for the March month, the sales demand is 570. So what will be the addition? 1460, right? Okay, so 1416, you will get the addition of these 3 months. Now the third column is moving total. We have to put up this addition. Now we are done the 3 month moving total. Okay, we have done 3 month moving total. So in case of 3 month moving total, we have to put up this moving total in front of second month, in front of a second month. So just put up that particular addition 1460 in front of a February month in moving total column. In moving total column. Okay, moving total column. Then the fourth column is moving average. So moving average we are taking for 3 months. So just divide by by 3 to 1460. Okay, 1460. So I think you will get value in decimal values. Okay, you will get the value in decimal. I think so. Okay, 486.66. So round up that particular value. So you'll get 487. So in moving average column in front of a February month, you have to put up that particular moving average. Okay, so that is nothing but 487, because in the problem itself we have mentioned that we have to ignore the decimal values. We have to ignore the decimal values. So moving average column in front of February month. Okay, in front or in February month row, we have to put up 487. Okay, then the next is we have to take up the addition of, now ignore January month, ignore January month, and we have to take up the addition of February, March, April. February, March, April. Add up that particular 3 months demand and put up in moving total in front of a March month. In front of a March month. Okay, that is nothing but in front of a second month. Okay, ignore January month. Okay, then add up 3 months sales demand. That is nothing but 490, 570, and 500. Okay, so what will be the addition? What will be the addition? Okay, 1560. Okay, right. Now put up that particular value in front of a second month. Okay, second month is March. Okay, so March in a moving total column in front of a March month, or we can say that in March row, we have to put up 1560. Okay, then we have to divide this particular value by 3, and whatever the average we are getting, that we have to put up in the column of a moving average in front of a March month. In front of a March month, right? 520 you are getting. So that value you have to put up in a moving average column in front of a March month. In front of a March month. Now the next moving total, we have to ignore the February month. Okay, in next moving total, we have to ignore the February month. We have to add up March, April, May. We have to add up March, April, May. Okay, that is nothing but 570, 500, and 640. Okay, that value we have to put up in front of a April month. That value we have to put up in front of a April month. Okay, that is the second month of a moving average. That is the second month of a moving average. Oh, okay, right. 1710. You are getting the right value. Okay, moving total in front of a April month. You have to put up that particular moving total. Okay, 1710. Then divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, whatever the answer. Okay, 570. You have to put up 570 in front of a April month in a moving average column. Okay, right. Everyone getting the right answer. Okay, 570. Okay, next we have to ignore March month. Okay, and we have to add up the sales demand for April, May, and June. April, May, and June. Okay, so addition will be addition of 500, 640, and 680. 680. Okay, right. Rohit. Others also please cope up with the situation and solve the problem. Okay. I know it is difficult to connect with you in a such a manner because I forgot to take that PPT in the mobile and the electricity problem is there. So, okay. So 1820 will be the answer. Okay. For the moving total. Right. You are getting. And you have to put up in a moving total column in front of a month May. That will be our second month. In front of a month May. That will be our second month. Then divide by 3 to 1820. So 606.66. Right. You are getting the right value. But we have to ignore the decimal value and round up that particular value. Okay. So 606.666 instead of that value, we have to put up 607. Right answer. Okay, 607. So that value we have to put up in a moving average column in May month row. Okay, in May month row. Then ignore for the next addition, we have to ignore the April month and we have to start from May, June, July. So addition of the demand of May, June, July, that is nothing but 640 plus 680 plus 710. That addition will be equal to 2030. Right answer. 2030. 2030. Okay. That 2030 we have to put up in a moving total column in front of a second month. That is nothing but in front of a June month. Okay. And we have to divide by 3 to 2030. So whatever the answer you are getting, you have to put up that answer in moving average column. In moving average column in front of a June month. In front of a June month. Yes, right. 677 will be the answer, or we can say that value. We have to put up that value in moving average column in front of a June month. In front of a June month. Then for the next calculation, we have to ignore May month and we have to start from June, July, August. Okay, we have to consider the demand for June, July, August. Okay, so June demand is 680 plus July demand is 710 and August demand is 800. Okay, we have to add up that particular three values and we have to put up the value or the answer in moving total column in front of a July month, in front of a July month or July row. Okay, or July row. Okay, so what will be the answer for this particular addition? Okay, Abhishek is saying 2190. Others are getting the same value. Okay, Pradyumna is also saying. Rohit is also saying 2190. Others also please do calculation, and you can mention your opinion in the chat box also. Okay, 2190, that will be the value, and that value we have to put up in front of a July column in moving total, in front of a July month in moving total column. Okay, moving total column. Then divide by 3, and you will get the moving average. Whatever the moving average you are getting, you have to put up in a moving average column in front of a July month. In front of a July month. Okay, Pradyuman is saying 730. Whether everyone getting 730 answer? 730. Okay, just put up that value in moving average in front of a July month. Now next, for the next calculation, we have to ignore June month, and we have to start from July, August, September. Okay, July, August, September. Okay, that is nothing but addition of 710, 800, and 820. Yes, Arbaz, screen is not visible due to electricity problem. Okay, you joined late, so because of that. Okay, so huh, that's great proactiveness from Rohit's side. Rohit has mentioned all the months and its sales in the chat box. Those are joined late. Please go through that particular values and cope up with the situation. July, August, and September. Okay, demand for July, August, and September. That is 710, 800, and 820. Okay, so whatever the average you are getting, put up in a moving total column in front of a August month. In front of a August month. In front of a August month. Okay. So what is your value? 2330. Whether everyone getting that value? Just put up in a moving total column in front of a August month. Yes, yes. Abhishek, Rohit, Chandraprabha. Okay. So everyone getting the same value, 2330. Then divide by 3, and whatever the value, just put up in a moving average column. Okay. So 776.67 will be your value. Just round up that particular value, you will get 777. 777. Okay, okay, right, right. Abhishek, Pradyuman. Others also can mention their opinion in the chat box. 777. Okay. So then next, for the next calculation, ignore July month and start from August September, October. Okay, so August sell or the demand of the sale is 800. September month demand of the sale is 820, and October sale demand is 910. Okay, add up this all the three values and put up in moving total column in front of a September month. In front of a September month. Okay, that will be 2530. Right. 2530. Okay, divide by 3, and whatever the value you are getting, put up in a moving average column. 843. Okay, Rohit, you are getting 843 or something in a pointer. Okay, Pranil is saying 843.33. So round up that value as a 844. Okay, Pranil mentioned 844. 44, that is the right answer. Just round up that particular value and make it 844. Okay, because we are selling the units. Okay, and for the units we have to take up the next number. Okay, so for that purpose, make it 844 and put up that particular value in moving average column in front of a September month. Okay, then we have to ignore the August month and we have to add up the demand for September, October, and November. So demand for September is 820 plus demand for October is 910 and demand for November is 860. Okay, Shweta is saying 2590. Abhishek Pradyuman is also saying the same value. So everybody getting 2590. Then put up that particular value in moving total column in front of a October month. In front of a October month. Okay, that is 2590. Then divide that value by 3 and put up whatever the answer you are getting in a moving average column in front of a October month. In front of a October month, or in October row in moving average column. Okay, that is 863.33. Just round up that particular value, you will get 864. Okay, right. 864. Okay, for the next calculation we have to ignore the September month. Now start from October, November, December. The sell demand for the October is 910 plus sell demand for November month is 860 plus the sell demand for December month is 950. Okay, add up that all the three demands for the October, November, and December month and put up in front of a November month. Okay, so Arbaz is saying 2720, Shweta is saying 2720, Pradyuman also saying the same value, Abhishek is also saying the same value. Okay, so put up that value in moving total column in front of a November month. In front of a November month. Okay, so 2720 divide by this by 3 to 207 uh, 2720. So you'll get the moving average, and whatever the value you are getting for the moving average, just put up that value in front of a November month. In front of a November month in moving average column. Okay, so Arbaz is getting 906.67. Okay, 906.67. Okay, Mahesh Shinde is also getting. Mahesh, your value is wrong. 966.67. It is wrong. Just check out. October month sale is 910. November month sale is 860, and December month sale is 950. Okay, just add up that particular three values, you will get moving total. Okay, moving total. So what is the value for the moving total, Mahesh? Okay, typing mistake. Okay, so moving total value is 2720, and we have to put up that value in front of a November month in moving total column. Then next, moving average, you will get 906.67. Okay, just round up that value. Okay, because we have to ignore the decimal values, just round up that particular value 906.67. So you will get 907. Okay, 907. So in moving average in front of a November row, in moving average column we have to put up 970. Okay, so for the December month we will not get moving total and moving average, we will not get moving total and moving average. Just dash that particular in front of a December month in moving total column, just give dash, and in front of a December month in moving average you just give dash. Okay, okay, so because we don't have the further data in initial problem statement. Okay, now the second question. Okay, second question is forecast the demand for the month of January 1997. Forecast the demand for the month of January 2020. Okay, forecast the demand for the month of January 2020. Okay, so this is the second question of this particular problem. Okay, so how we are doing the forecasting for the next month in this particular moving average? Just check out the last problem. Okay, in the last problem we have done this thing. If in the last problem we have done for the 5 month. Okay, 5 month. In this problem we have to do for the 3 month. Okay, so in the last problem, if you check out the last problem, we have just taken the moving average for latest 5 month data. Okay, latest 5 month data. Okay, and whatever the value we are getting, that value is nothing but the forecasted demand for the next month. Okay, that value will become the forecasted demand for the next month. Here we are selected the 3 month moving average. Okay, so after December 2019 there is a month of January 2020. Okay, and on that basis, okay, on that basis we can say that the 3 month moving average will become, latest 3 month moving average will become the forecasted demand for the month of January 2020. Okay, so what is the 3 month moving average of month December, November, and October? What is the 3 month moving average for this particular December, November, and October? So, getting my question, what is the 3 month moving average for December, November, and October? We have calculated that thing. Right, 907. 907 is the 3 month moving average for the December, November, and October month. Okay, and that 907 will be the forecasted value for the month of January 2020. Okay, that will be the forecasted value for the month of January 2020. Getting my point? Getting my point, everyone? Just mention yes or no in the chat box. Yes, Abhishek is getting. Okay, Shweta also. Okay, Mahesh is also saying yes. Okay, others? Okay, Pradyuman is also saying. Chandraprabha is also saying yes. Nikita is also saying. Okay, Rohit is saying, can you repeat once again? Okay, so if you refer the last problem, okay, the first problem we have taken under this particular point, moving average and weighted moving average. So in that case, we have what we have done. We have taken the moving average for latest 5 months and uh, moving average for the latest 5 months, and the whatever the value we are getting, that value we are considering as the forecasted value for the next month. Okay, that value we are considering the forecasted value for the next month. Okay, in a same manner, in this our problem, we have to calculate the forecasted value for the month of January 2020. So for that purpose, we are considering the 3 month moving average. Okay, we are considering the 3 month moving average. Okay, so the in that case we have to calculate the latest 3 month moving average. In that case, we have to calculate the latest 3 month moving average. So latest 3 months for the January, latest 3 month for the January 2020 will be December 2019, November 2019, and October 2019. Okay, now we have to find out the moving average for this particular 3 month sales demand. Okay, then whatever the values we are getting, we have in this particular problem, that is October sell demand is 910, November sell demand is 860, and December sell demand is 950. We have to take the moving average for these three demands. Okay, so just add up that three demands, okay, and divide by 3, you will get one value. Okay, and that we have calculated in the table also, that we have calculated in the table also, and we have put up that value in front of a November month. Okay, so that value, whatever the value we are getting, that value is the forecasted demand for the month of January. That value is the forecasted demand for the month of January. Getting my point? Getting my point? Okay. Okay. So this is the answer for the second question. That is the forecast the demand for the month of January 2020. Okay. Now the next question of the problem is, if the actual demand for the month of January 2020, okay, we have calculated forecasted demand. Okay, now let us say we are at 31st January. Okay, 31st January, and we come to know that the actual demand for the month of January 2020 is 905. Okay, is 905 units. What should be the forecast for the month of February? ओके, जानेवारी मंथचं ऍक्च्युअल डिमांड मिळालेलं आहे आपल्याला आता 905. ओके, आता त्याच्या बेसिसवरती आपल्याला फेब्रुवारीचं फेब्रुवारी 2020चं डिमांड, फोरकास्टेड डिमांड फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. ओके, फोरकास्टेड डिमांड फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. मग त्या केसमध्ये तुम्ही काय करणार? व्हॉट आर द लेटेस्ट मंथ्स डिमांड्स for the February month? What are the latest demands for the February month? Just mention in the chat box. What are the latest months for the February month? For the moving average for the February month. What are the latest months for the moving average of February month? Just mention in the chat box. We have the January month actual demand. Okay, and also we have December month actual demand, and we have backdated months all the demands. Then we have to find out the forecasted demand for the February month. Okay, so what will be the latest months for the February month? To find out November 2019, December 2019, and January 2010. January, December, and November, right? Rohit getting my point. Arbaz is also getting my point. Okay, everybody else on the same path, also thinking this, these are the months uh, uh, for calculating the forecasted demand for the February month in case of a 3 month moving average. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now we have the January month demand. Yes. Yes. Everybody is saying yes. Okay. Now we have January month actual demand, that is 905 unit, and December month also we have 950 unit, and November month also we have 860. Just calculate moving average for these three latest months for the February month and find out the forecasted demand for the February month. Okay, that will be our final answer for the forecasted demand for February month. Shweta is saying 736.66. Whether it is correct? No, I will not think that this answer is correct, because the 860 plus 950 plus 905 divided by 3, divided by 3. 860 is the sale demand for the month of November. 950 is the sale demand for December. And the 905 is the sale demand for the January month. Just add up all these three values and divide by 3. So, yes, yes, yes. Shweta, check out your answer once again, calculations once again. Okay. So, Abhishek, right answer getting 905. Arbaz is getting 905. Rohit also getting 9. Right, right. Shweta, now you are on the right path. You are getting 905. Okay. So, whether everybody getting the same answer, 905? Yes. Okay. So, are you getting this particular problem, everyone? Okay. Everybody is saying yes, sir. Yes. Okay. So once electricity will come, I will share this problem on our group also. Okay, no problem for that. Okay. So those are late join, for them I will share this particular problem PPTs on our group. Okay. 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 So we'll stop here. I will take attendance. Uh, Attendance, please. Roll number 1,
Yes, sir.
2,
Yes, sir.
3. Roll number
Yes,
3.
sir.
3. Okay.
Yes.
4.
Present, sir.
Okay. 5. 5 absent. 6.
Present, sir.
Okay. 7.
Ye- Yes, sir.
Okay. 8. Roll number 8. Absent. 9. Absent. 10.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Okay. Pooja Kamble. Huh.
Roll number 5, sir. Present.
What is your roll number?
5.
5. Okay.
Ha. Yes.
Okay. Akash Bishe, your
Yes, sir. 10.
10. Okay. Okay. 10 present. 11.
Yes, sir.
Saurabh, 11. Okay. 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sanket. 13. 13 absent.
Present, sir.
Okay. Dinesh, 13.
Present, sir.
Yes, yes. I got your answer. 14.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 15. 15. Absent. 16. Absent. 17. Absent. 18.
Yes, sir.
18 present. Okay.
Yes.
19. 19 absent. 20. Absent. 21. 22. 23. 24.
Present, sir.
Ruturaj. 24.
Yes, sir.
25. 25 absent. 26. 27. 28. 29.
Yes, sir.
Prajwal. 29. 30.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36.
Present, sir.
36. Wasim. 37.
Yes, sir.
36. 38.
Present, sir.
Sunny. 38. 40. 39. 39. 39 absent. Okay. 40.
Yes, sir.
Rohan. 41.
Yes, sir.
Yogesh. 41.
Present.
Okay. 42. 42 absent. 43. 44.
Yes, sir.
Ganesh. 44. 45. 45 absent. 46. 46 absent. 47.
Present, sir.
Pratap. 47. 48. 48 absent. 49. 50. 51.
Yes, sir.
Nishkalang. 51.
51, sir.
Okay. Okay. 52. 52 absent. 53. 54. 55. 56.
Yes, sir.
Azam. 56. 57.
Present.
57 present. Okay.
Present.
58. 58 absent. 59. 60.
Yes, sir.
60 Girish. 61.
Yes, sir.
No, 61. 62. 62 absent. 63.
Present, sir.
Anna says 63.
Yes, sir.
64.
Present, sir.
Okay. Sunil. 64 present. 65.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Swapnil. 65. 66. 66 absent. 67 absent. 68. 69. 70.
Yes, sir.
Pradyumna. 70. Okay. 71, 71 absent. 72 absent. 73 absent. 74.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arbad 74. 75. 75 absent. 76. 77. Akshay. Akshay, what is your roll number? 75. Okay. Okay. 76 absent. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82.
Yes, sir.
82 Narayan.
Sir,
Pranav. Okay. 81, 82, no problem. Please mute yourself.
sir, 8.
Shubham, roll number 8.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
81, sir.
Pranav, 81, I have marked your
Sir, 81.
attendance, no problem. Anybody? Okay. In the chat box, Swapnil 65 and Junaid 57. 57 marked, no problem. And 65, 65 is also marked, no problem. Okay, we'll stop here.